Dear children, in my previous class we had done some shadings on a sphere and a cuboid. So most of them have made small bit of mistake where you have tried to fill the circle or the sphere from one end to the other end, like this, from one end to the other end. It's not a stroke, it's a line what you have done. I'll tell you what stroke is and what is line. This is a line, see, from one point to the other point without lifting the hands. You pull a pencil line is a line. This is the stroke. See, I am pressing my pencil here and just lifting it off like this. Suppose you put a line like this, it will not be even. Sometimes you get spaces, line spaces in between, and you can't always maintain the same pressure from top to bottom, correct? So instead of that, to get an even fill, you do with the strokes like this, so that the other end is smooth. Here it will be little harder. Yeah, it's like this. Without leaving any spaces, you keep filling it, and once again come here to the point where the first stroke is smooth and continue that. Suppose you're filling a circle here. This is how you do it. Start from one end, top end, slowly fill it on one side only first. Most of you what you have done is you have tried to cover it in one single line, not a stroke, line like this. That's why most of you have got a ridge here in between every tonal value. So this is how you do it. Once you reach the bottom of the sphere, you go here once again and fill it so that you get a smooth transition from one end to the other end. See, now I am applying reverse strokes. Yeah, and now I am applying dark tone here, mid tone. And one more small bit of mid-tone till the half of the sphere, and here also small stroke of mid-tone. Now here I'm applying dark tone, stroke of dark tone. This is how you achieve smooth transition from one end to the other end. Here it is dark, here it is mid, and here it is light. This is dark, here it is mid, here it is light, here it is mid. I guess most of you got the idea. And for you to assess the size of the strokes, it's about 1 centimeter. I've taken about 1 centimeter. This is how I get a proper stroke, small stroke. Suppose I try to do it like this, it will be not even, it will not go straight also. Small strokes. See, for you to measure, it's about 1 centimeter strokes. Now suppose I'm filling this cuboid. In our earlier class we had filled light here, mid here, and dark here. Now what we'll do is we'll apply light here, or light here, mid here, and dark here, assuming the light is coming from this direction. Say about here the sun or the light is, bulb is. So the light is falling on this first and slant here, and here it is dark. So what I'll do is first apply light here. See, I'm applying only a small area with left to right strokes. Here I'm applying reverse strokes. So what will happen is if I apply light stroke from this end, it may exceed the line what I marked here. So the light tone is done here. Now I'm applying mid-tone. Observe me carefully. So I'm applying small strokes, covering a small area only. See, most of them what they have done is they have tried to cover the whole face of this cuboid with one single line, not a stroke. So what you have got is spaces in between those lines, like this. Like this, you have got space in between those lines what you have applied. So this is a cleaner way, better way to apply gradation to your drawings. See here, observe carefully. I'm applying reverse strokes. Yeah. Now I'll be applying dark tone here. Observe carefully. Small stroke at a time, so that you can achieve smoother transition and also no lines space in between those strokes. I hope most of you would have understood what I am getting into. So what you could try is similar method of shading a cuboid, but light from different angles. So imagine your light is from here, then this part will get medium or light, this part will get medium, and here dark. Okay, suppose the light is from here, this bottom, this will be mid, this face will be light, this face will be dark. So try different angles. And also you can use light in colors also. You can do it. Take your color pencil and try using light green here, mid green here, dark green here. So take 3 different variants of greens, light, mid and dark, and you can apply accordingly. Here also on this sphere also you can do light green, dark, mid green and the darkest green. If you have, suppose you have only 2 types of greens, then light green for the light tone, mid green for the the second green for the mid tone, and over that you can use dark blue to achieve the dark tone. Okay, thank you.